Explore the top Team Corrali RC cars that are perfect for beginners. Known for their robust build and user-friendly features, Team Corrali offers a range of models that are ideal for newcomers to the RC hobby. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Team Corrali RC cars for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. Team Corrali's Spark XB6 is the ultimate 1/8 scale bash buggy for thrill seekers. Designed for bashing, this buggy excels with rugged durability and high performance. Built on customer feedback, the Spark XB6 offers 2 versions: a ready-to-run package for ease and a rolling chassis for customization. Available in 3 striking color combinations, this buggy is as stylish as it is tough. At its heart, the Spark XB6 features a Team Corrali Torox 185A 46S ESC, paired with a powerful Curon 2050 kV 4-pole brushless motor for unbeatable speed and torque. The HV7225HV Metal Gear steering servo provides precise control, while the CT2R 2.4 GHz radio ensures reliable communication. Durability is a priority, with a bulletproof drivetrain featuring a hardened steel spur gear, sealed metal differentials, and a CNC aluminum shock tower. The oil-filled big-bore shocks and reinforced chassis enhance handling and stability on any terrain. Its advanced suspension system, complete with heavy-duty components, guarantees resilience during the roughest rides. Whether you're a seasoned basher or a beginner, the Spark XB6 offers an unmatched experience. Conquer challenging terrains and push the limits of bashing with the Team Corrali Spark XB6. The Team Corrali Synchro 4 is a remarkable 1/8 scale bash buggy designed for those craving high-octane off-road thrills without sacrificing quality or affordability. This machine is a testament to Team Corrali's legacy, sharing over 80% of its components with its iconic predecessors, ensuring reliability and top-tier performance. Powered by the Curon 725 4-pole 2150 kV sensorless brushless motor, the Synchro 4 delivers powerful, efficient performance, enhanced by the Torox 135 electronic speed control. Paired with the HV7225 digital high-speed servo, offering 25 kilograms of torque, this buggy handles with precision, making every drive an exhilarating experience. The CT2S 2.4 GHz transmitter adds to the control, offering a 200-meter range and beginner-friendly features like a 50 to 100% power switch. The Synchro 4's suspension, derived from proven models like the Radix 6, ensures durability and adaptability across diverse terrains. Its robust drivetrain, featuring steel outdrive cups, central drive shafts, and precision-engineered CVD drive shafts, guarantees unmatched strength and longevity. Team Corrali's innovative design blends tried-and-true components with fresh aesthetics, including titanium anodized laser-etched chassis. The Team Corrali Asuga XLR 6S is a game-changer in the world of RC racing, pushing boundaries with its larger-than-life presence. Designed for enthusiasts seeking to dominate the track, this 1/8 scale buggy, expanded by an extra 15%, redefines what it means to be a powerhouse on wheels. The Asuga XLR isn't just about size. It's a rolling chassis that is pre-assembled and waiting for your custom motor, ESC, and radio setup. Available in 3 striking body colors, it offers both style and substance, inviting you to personalize your ride. Engineered for extreme performance, the Asuga XLR boasts a 3mm aluminum base chassis with side protectors, ensuring durability and stability. Its hybrid central chassis brace design, coupled with a precision aluminum motor mount and central differential, offers unmatched handling and control. The beefy 16mm aluminum shocks, combined with a 5mm aluminum shock tower, deliver superior suspension, while the composite suspension arms, reinforced with aluminum, guarantee longevity. Every component of the Isuga XLR is designed to excel, from its advanced pillow ball steering mechanism to the robust S2 steel drive shafts and ABEC3 sealed ball bearings. Equipped with Sprint RXA tires optimized for 6S power, this buggy is ready to conquer any terrain. The Team Corrale Kagama XP6S is the ultimate monster truck for beginners and experienced bashers alike. Built on a 1/8 scale, this powerhouse is driven by a 2050 kV brushless motor and a 6S-capable ESC, pushing the boundaries of RC performance. Its newly redesigned chassis features ultra-durable hybrid braces, innovative suspension arms, and precision-engineered shock absorbers, all inspired by the legendary Isuga model. The Kagama's advanced suspension system, with 16mm big bore shocks and CNC bevel gears, ensures unparalleled handling and durability on the roughest terrains. The Kagama's drivetrain, featuring a red anodized aluminum central diff case and spring steel outdrives, delivers robust power and control. With a top speed exceeding 68 miles per hour, the Kagama dominates every challenge. Paired with high-grip rubber racing tires and dynamic, lightweight multi-spoke wheels, this monster truck is ready to conquer any terrain. Available in both RTR and rolling chassis versions, the Kagama is designed to meet every bashing enthusiast's needs. Whether you're scaling hills or flying over jumps, the Kagama XP6S redefines what's possible in the world of RC trucks. Get ready to experience unmatched excitement and performance with this masterfully crafted machine. The Team Corrale Skeeter XP 1/10 scale brushless monster truck takes performance and durability to new heights, making it an ideal choice for beginners seeking serious power. Built to handle the roughest terrains and most demanding stunts, the Skeeter XP is equipped with a Torox 135 ESC and a Curon 725 motor, both borrowed from Team Corrale's larger 1/8 scale vehicles. This powerful combination allows the Skeeter to unleash remarkable speed and torque, effortlessly pulling off wheelies and backflips when paired with a 4S battery. For those who prefer a more nimble and controlled ride, the Skeeter also performs brilliantly with a 3S battery, offering a unique and thrilling driving experience. The Skeeter's design is centered around durability and reliability, with innovative features like a front chassis brace system that unifies the steering bell cranks, front bulkhead, and shock tower into a single, robust assembly. This design ensures that the truck can withstand intense bashing without compromising its structural integrity. Additionally, the Skeeter features a two-piece center chassis brace, using 12mm aluminum tubes to connect the bulkheads and shock towers, creating a strong backbone that enhances overall stability and durability. Protection is a key focus with the Skeeter XP. It comes equipped with a tall-sided chassis guard that shields the vital components from dirt, rocks, and moisture, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. The truck's weather-resistant electronics, including a splash-proof ESC, steering servo, and receiver, make it ready for action in almost any condition. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.